Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the flag of Croatia. So the flag, it has a rectangular shape. So we already have drawn a rectangle previously. Now we are going to draw a color combination and making the segments to actually outline the national flag of Croatia. All right. So let's draw the top outline first. That has a red color. So we're doing a straight line on the top to draw the red color here. So this is going to be the color. Top is red part. All right. And the bottom part, it has a dark blue color. Let's put the dark blue color here. Okay. This is going to be up to this place, up to this place. And the middle one is going to be the another color. We're going to have a red pen and I'm going to draw the color in the middle one. This is going to be a straight color. All right, here also another straight color and a round shape at the bottom. All right, on top also another circle, half circle, like a curve you can see on top. All right, and you can see there are 5 taller outlines are the details you can see here. I'm going to draw. It looks like the crown, and we're going to connect it with this segment line. All right, now the thing is, we're going to put the color, the blue here. Okay, also here, and another blue here. All right, the middle two part is going to be the dark blue color. Okay, also this one is going to be a dark blue color. All right, so you can see the yellow color is going to be here. This is some shape of a deer or something. Okay, because it's a very small space, so not all the details is going to be looking good, but we're trying to do as nice as possible. All right, so it has 3 dots here, and the line you can see here. Okay, usually it has a red color here. All right, and the segments here, it has a many square blocks, combination of blocks. All right, so let's put the color blocks and draw the outlines using the scales here, because we are trying to make it as good as look. So looking good. Okay, this is another one. All right. Okay, so the grid pattern, this is done. Now we have to fill up the spaces. So this part is red. Also this one is red. This one is red too. Then this one is red. It's like putting in alternative grids the color, and the alternative grids has the white color. That's why one block is red, the next block is white, then again the next block is red, and the coming up the next block is white. So the usual pattern you can see here, that's amazing. Now the red pattern on top. So this is the usual shape in the middle. Now we are going to provide the uniform red color here for the whole rectangle on top. The main thing is that each national flag of each country has its own characteristics. If you can observe the characteristics, and you can draw the very similar to that characteristics, then this drawing becomes the national flag of that country, of the respective country. You can see here we are putting the red color as uniform as possible. Okay. All right, so red color we're going to provide here as uniform as possible. All right. You can see the uniform color here on top. All right, so the top part looks good. Now the bottom part we're going to provide blue color here. Let's put the color first with a big pencil, then we're going to use a smaller one to make the rectangle clearly visible from the surroundings. All right, now we're going to put a much uniform color to the border. Okay. So you can see the uniform color. This is going to be bigger rectangle than the previous one. The coloring is almost done. The borders and the corners are looking pretty now. Okay. So as a piece of art, this looks very good for the flag of Croatia. Each country has a different, characteristics, its own characteristics, and the national flag is different. So this is the, this is almost looking the same as Croatia. So we always try better. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel, put the bell icon on for the new updates, and you can go through you can browse through the playlist for different categories of drawing. You have your own choices of freedom. Thank you so much. Have a good day.